Stop manually scraping Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to extract 100 business leads, complete with emails, in just 60 seconds. Cold calling was a total dead end, just landing her in voicemail jail over and over. Frustrated, she tried something different. She Googled emergency plumbers Chicago, clicked one single button, and let a simple crow add-on do all the work, scraping 2,000 pages while she went to make coffee. Here's the trick. This extension pretends to be a map helper. You just hit extract. It automatically scrolls through the listings, grabbing the business name, phone number, and website. But the real magic is it finds hidden emails from the writer reviews. Tim Little again. This is my video. I wanted to show you guys some really great information. Start on this immediately within a few minutes from now, and I'll show you what you need to do. But what you need to do is go into Google and you type in theyellowpages.com, and something like this should come up. And what you can do is you can search theyellowpages.com for local types of businesses, general contractors, auto repair, roofing, that type of thing. So what you can do is just we'll type in, it would be plumbing and drain cleaning, and be in the Grand Rapids area. Now you can choose any area that you would like. There's a scroll down menu, and then just go ahead and we'll find these. And what you can do is you can do Control A would be to highlight, and then Control C would be to copy, and then you get into Chat GPT and you copy this into the prompt. And then what you want to do is I have a query that I have, and it's right here. Format the below data into a table. This will create a column for account for first name, company website, Instagram, phone number, email. So go ahead and you copy that, and you put that into, which is right here, and be right in this area, and this will be enter. And what ChatGPT will do is it'll sort it all out. It's a mess the way it looks, but you'll see a table like so, and you can keep on scrolling. Here's the first name, would be the company name, and you have the phone number. So you can go ahead and you have a contact, and then you have the company name, you have a phone number, and these you can just keep on scrolling. You'll get more and more of these, and you can copy it, be a Control C, and copy it into Google Docs. You can print that out, or you can just start calling immediately to Google. And what you do is you can type in fitness coaches, and this would be just fitness coaches, or it could be like plumbers, could be dentists, could be realtors, and then just type in @Gmail. And then what you'll do is you'll get all of their email addresses. So we'll go ahead and run that. And then again, you do a Control A, be Control A, and then Control C to copy that into Chat GPT. And you can use the same query that I did before, which is format data into a table. Go ahead and you copy that, and that would go into your Chat GPT. Paste that in, and you just go ahead and run that, and you'll get the same thing. Now what will happen is it will create a table for you like so, and you keep on going to Excel and just copy it right into a spreadsheet format if you'd like. Another way you can build lists is through sign-in page. You can export it all to a CSV, run the built-in bounce checker, and boom, a clean, ready-to-use list. Maya emailed 100 plumbers at 9 in the morning. By lunchtime, she had already booked 3 calls worth an $8,400 retainer. Manual hustle or a robot sidekick, you choose your payday. Hit that subscribe button for more simple lead strategies.